The world needs abundant energy. But more than that, it needs safe, reliable, and clean power to grow economies, support communities, and sustain the future. Nuclear power is rising to meet that challenge.
Nuclear energy is essential to creating a cleaner, more sustainable world for the next generation. Flowserve's 3D growth strategy to decarbonize, diversify, and digitize supports the global energy sector's transformation toward low-carbon sources. And we're proud to partner with the world's nuclear leaders to deliver solutions that enable the global expansion of nuclear energy.
Our commitment at Flowserve is stronger than ever. We are the global leader in flow control technologies for the nuclear power industry, and we're dedicated to partnering with industry leaders and communities to help drive this important growth. Flowserve has more than 5,000 pumps, 15,000 valves installed in over 300 reactors around the world. And with more than 15 facilities worldwide equipped to support nuclear projects, we can combine our global strength with local expertise. Our reach means we're ready to deliver solutions seamlessly, no matter the region or the challenge. Our impact is clear. Our nuclear dedicated manufacturing sites include advanced testing and qualification facilities. And our legacy of performance, precision, and trust forms the foundation for our future. By working closely with our partners, we help accelerate the deployment of safe, reliable nuclear energy to new markets and communities, enabling expansion and securing what already exists.
Nuclear safety is a guiding principle behind everything we do, from engineering and testing to delivery and on-site activities.
In nuclear, quality is not an option. It's the foundation of everything we deliver. Every pump we design and manufacture meets the strictest standards for nuclear applications.
Every valve we produce contributes to safe and efficient operation to nuclear power plants. What motivates me is knowing that through strong nuclear safety culture and attention to quality, our work helps to ensure that nuclear energy remains both safe and dependable.
From gigawatt-scale plants to small modular reactors, Flowserve expertise supports the full nuclear life cycle.
Nuclear is how we'll power the economic growth of the future for many different sectors of the economy, from data centers to high-tech manufacturing to industrial applications. Flowserve is proud to be part of that story.